But if I wanted to save this using like OneTab, so like I'll show you how to like organize all your tabs here. So like I have the OneTab Chrome extension here. I'm gonna drop down here to this OneTab. I built out some folders yesterday so people could see them. And so I can say send all tabs to OneTab. Don't want to do that one. I'm gonna go to my name tab groups. I created these folders here. So I have sourcing links. So I'm gonna send only this tab to my sourcing links folder. I have a fitness one, a personal one, stuff like that. So I'm gonna send only this tab to my sourcing links folder. So that way it closes that tab out for me. We got our lovely friend Mark Hamill here, who I'll talk about here in just a second. And I'll go over to our OneTab resource here. And you can see I have right now 160 tabs open. And I created this folder yesterday. And these are all my sourcing links that I want to get back to. So sourcing challenge shows, some different searches I was doing, stuff about Glenn Guttmacher, an interview from Wizard Sourcer with Jonathan Kidder. So like Boolean beats bias, strategic diversity sourcing. So if I don't have time to get back to these things, I want to drop things in OneTab. So it's a giant folder. So I name my folders for my work related stuff. You can see I have like my Meyer survey from.
What do you name your folders on here, Marvin?
So like right here, you can go to more here, and you can go to name this tab group, and then you can drop in tabs to specific groups. So like let's say we're on LinkedIn, we have a whole bunch of profiles open, and we want to drop into a profile folder. I would save one tab into one. I would say one of those tabs into OneTab, and I would name that group like candidates I'm pursuing, and then or whatever the name of your project is. And then when you pull them open, you can drop all those candidates into your folder, into these folders here on OneTab, and save some room. So like we'll go to Mark Hamill here, like doing your puddle jumping methodology. I have Linkclump, a Chrome extension open. So you hold down the letter Z on your keyboard, and then it should, if I highlight all these here, it'll open up all these tabs for me. So now all those tabs is opened up.
This is through OneTab.
This is actually Linkclump.
Oh, okay.
And then I can now, so I have all these tabs open. Let's say I don't have time to get to them. I can use OneTab, and I can right click on it, go to OneTab and say, send all tabs on the right to OneTab. So I can send every tab I just opened up on the right of this current tab to OneTab. Now, if we go back to OneTab here, it's all saved. These are all the LinkedIn links that we just opened up.